Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you 3 different methods to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A07. So let's begin the video. Now, the very first method to take a screenshot is with this 2-button combination. You just need to press the volume down and the power button simultaneously at the same time to take a screenshot on your device. As you can see, I'm pressing both of these buttons simultaneously and taking the screenshot quite easily. Do note, if you press and hold both of these buttons continuously, then the power menu will appear and you cannot take the screenshot because of that. You just need to press both of these buttons and immediately release them, and you can take the screenshot quite easily with the buttons. Now, the second method to take a screenshot is using the quick panel. Now, to use this method, you just need to swipe from the top right corner and you will see a take screenshot button in here. Just tap on that and you can easily take the screenshot using that particular method. Now, if that method is not working for you, you just need to swipe down twice from there, and here you can see, and here you will find out an edit button. Tap on that and in here you will find out 2 options. You can just tap on the first edit and you will find out a bunch of options and a minus sign on top of that. You just need to remove any one of them from the list, and then you need to search the take screenshot button from the down menu. Just tap on the screenshot button and it will be added into top panel. Now press the done button and it has been added in here. And now you can take the screenshot using the quick panel method. Now, the third method to take a screenshot is using the assistive menu. You just need to press on that floating button and you will find out the screenshot button. Tap on that and you can take the screenshot quite easily. Now, this method is really simple, and if that method is not working for you, you just need to open up your settings, scroll down towards the accessibility. In here, you will find out the interactive and Disney option. Just tap on that and in here you will find out assistive menu. Tap on that to turn it on and you will find out the assistive menu appearing on your device. Just tap on that and take the screenshot quite easily. So guys, these are the 3 simple methods through which you can take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A07. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.